Right, so I've just had this Xbox Series S dropped in. HDMI port. Nice, look at it. It's all loose, and I really dread to think what the pads in this are like if that's been ripped off. Get the screws out. Yeah, when you want to remove the motherboard, oh God. Look at all those traces. Jesus Christ. This is going to be a bad one, I think. Yeah, that's taken most of the pads with it. Awesome. Just what you need. Yeah. Damn, this is a mess. This is one serious mess. There we go, that's all the solder taken off. Just waiting for the port to be delivered in a minute, and then we can get the jumpers soldered on. Here we go. It's the 10,000 jumpers made. And I've just tested it with that, and it's all reading correctly. So what I'm doing now is to epoxy that so that the jumpers don't move. There we go, that's all epoxied now. Thing is, if you don't epoxy them, what happens is the pins move whenever you move the port around. So if you go and put it in and out too many times, what happens is it snaps the wires eventually. So you've got to keep the pins like stuck in one place, because otherwise you'll just end up with broken jumpers. Usually the pads hold the pins in place, but because there's no pads, they can wiggle around. So got to keep them in place, because otherwise it will just come back a couple of weeks later with a broken pin. Right, so we've got it half together, just testing it. Let's see if this spaghetti junction has actually fixed the. So there we go, job done. So we get it put back together now, and it's all sorted. Right, back together, all working, ready to give back to the customer.